welcome. I do hope that you enjoyed here and decide to hit that subscribe button because that would be really nice and you get to see more of me if you want. Today we are doing an Empties video, so if you want to see that, then let's go. And we have this GNC face moisturizer vitamins with vitamins E, A, and D. Now this smells so good. It comes in like this size. This was less than $20 and I think I bought a vitamin C one recently. GNC, you are an amazing brand. Seriously, I thought they only had like vitamins. When I realized they had skincare products, I'm like, yes, let me try this, and it is amazing. It has worked amazing for me and I'm going to buy more of them. I already have another one of them, and yeah, we'll definitely buy back this specific one because I love, for such a cheap price, I'm getting an amazing facial moisturizer and it has so many benefits with all of these vitamins in it. The Endless Love Refreshing Body Mist in Victoria's Secret. So we all know a lot of Victoria's Secret body mists smell amazing, but this one specifically, I never bought this for myself. Someone actually bought this for me, but I am definitely going to get back this one because it's so amazing. It was one of the best body mists ever. It smelled really good. And we also finished some of this Chap Eyes medicated lip balm. This was such an amazing lip balm. It is very medicated. I believe it was a ripoff to the chapstick, but it was definitely a great product and I would buy this again. And I believe I got like 2 of these for $10. Another thing is some hand sanitizer. The Lucky brand of hand sanitizer is something that I always buy because it's super cheap and it makes my hands feel very clean. And hand sanitizer is something I am a little bit picky about because there are certain types of hand sanitizers that feel sticky on my hands when I use them. So I use either this Lucky brand or there's another one that I use, but I can't think about it right now. But those are all the products that I have for my Empties. I know it's not a lot, but we still finished some stuff.
Roll it. Are you ready?
My quote for you today is, a simple smile is happiness right under your nose. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite product of what I showed you today, and if you had one of these or if you're going to buy one of these, just let me know, guys. Let me know. Bye.
That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant